This tutorial will show you how to change aspect ratio in Capcut completely for free online. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step to change the aspect ratio in Capcut, in this case I'll be doing it for PC, for Windows or Mac. We're going to click the plus icon to add the track onto the timeline. As you can see, this is a 16:9 or a long form video. So basically under player, when you go to the bottom right hand screen, you want to click the second option right here. And as you can see, it's currently set to 16.9. And if we click 4.3, as you notice, it changed the aspect ratio. And then for short form content, it's 9:16. And as you can see, now this video is currently ready to be a short form video. Applies for Capcut Mobile. If you want to change the aspect ratio, open Capcut on your smartphone device, new project, or click the existing project to transform your video or the aspect ratio. Click on your video project. As you can see, it's selected or highlighted, and then on the bottom hand screen you want to scroll to the right. You see the option right here, transform, which is next to retouch and duplicate. So click on transform and click the third option or icon which says resize. You can see it brought up the aspect ratio, and we change it to whichever aspect ratio that we want. Capcut Mobile will completely adjust this completely for free. And when happy or satisfied, go to the top right hand screen and click check mark. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.